Hey, do you know the date of International Children's Day? The 1st of June. That's nice. What about the date of International Women's Day? It's on the 8th of March. That's perfect. But what about the International Men's Day? Do we have that day? Yeah, we have that day, and it's on the 19th of November.
Xin chào tất cả các bạn, mình là Thu Thủy, giáo viên đến từ The IELTS Workshop. Trong chủ đề ngày hôm nay, chúng ta sẽ cùng nói về những người đàn ông lý tưởng nhé. What do you think about ideal men in today's society? For me, a man should be gentle and understanding. He will remember my birthday and any anniversary, and he may buy me presents or give me lovely notes, and of course he will know how to balance between his work and his relationship. To be a man in today's society also means being faithful in all of his relationship. For example, he is trustworthy and he's never betray a friend for any reasons, and if he dates, he will stick to one woman only. On top of that, a man must live up to his word. A man must always do what he says he's going to do. Like, if he says he will do the dishes, then he will definitely do it for you. Being a man in today's society also means being accountable. He not only take credit when things go right, but also take ownership when things go wrong. Finally, a man should be confident. I believe an ideal man should be confident in his abilities. He needs to know what he has and what he can achieve. He should be the kind of man who always see the positives in any situation. But being a man is no different from being a woman, and no one is perfect. So just be the best version of yourself. Happy International Men's Day! I'm Thu Thuỷ from the IELTS Workshop. Goodbye!